What's up, man? How is going? Aurelio is back another time with another great video. And this time I will show you all the work I've done to date regarding the ATM Apollo telescope mount. Are you ready? We start. Okay, I started to showing to you the recent modification I've made to the LEM cabin. The upper part of what is now the ATM, Apollo telescope mount. To be clear, I'll show you the difference between how the cabin was before this. In this side you can see. And how I transformed it by making small, quickly and easy changes. And this you can see, in this way you can see the difference between the old and the new. Yes, in this way it's not so clear, but in this way you can see the difference. I show you in details I'm so sorry, I show you the difference present here and here. This is the radiators. Okay, this is the new part and this is the old. This side and this side is not correct. They are wrong. There are a shame. Okay? And this is the correct way. This is correct. This is correct. And the same on this side, and this is the largest part where there is the radiator. This rear end has been completely remodeled and I'm very happy with the results I've gotten. I'm so happy for all this work. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make the radiators in the lower part of the LEM. Given the position of these panels, it's not necessary for them to be perfect. For me, it's important that they give a rough idea of what the radiators were like. I cut this piece of plastic sheet which reproduce the correct dimension of the radiators. And now I take and show you what I used. This is, I'm so sorry, it's not perfect, but in this way you can understand what type of plastic card sheets I used for this work. I haven't idea the name of this because I bought it many years ago for another models. But I think that is good. Okay. And now on the front side, if you remember, you can see the old part in this. This is a shame. It's not correct. On the front side, I remove a reinforcement that was present here. This. I removed this part was present here. And now you can see how I modified this part. To make the reinforcement, this part, I use a nail, and here I'll show you how the nail, and one moment, and now where is in this way, yes. I'll show you how the nail looked before I cut it to fit my needs. This is... No, I did a mistake. I'm so sorry. This is the nail I use, and I join it in this place. In fact, you can see, yes, it's not the best. You can see the front side of the nail like this. And now all parts of the... I try to change. I always a problem with the cabin. I can show you in this way the front side of the lamp, the up part of the lamp, the rear part of the lamp, the cabin, the right side, the left side, and the low part. I'm so happy for all the work I did because it's a great model. I show you the front side. Okay, and now regarding the ATM's lower part, today I will show you all the work I done in detail. And now I'll start to showing you the upper part of the one where I will later attach the cabin, and for this reason this whole part will remain covered and not very visible, and I show you the upper part of the Apollo telescope mount. Yes, I can show you in this way. I'm so sorry. Yes, I think that this is the best way to show you all parts. It's covered and painted in black, and at the end I put the cabin in this way. Okay, and this is the final configuration in the upper part of the ATM. I manage the sides as best as possible to make it more similar to a real subject, but different from each other, so as not to make them monotonous. And now, where is, in this way, yes, I show you the front side and the other side. And to be honest, I'm so happy for all the work I done in this part of the model. It's an incredible work. Oh, okay, on this side you can see. Regarding the interior part, now I show you. I made the interior all black and without much details. In the center, you can see the support for the telescope tube. Yes, in this side you can see part of the gyroscope, like this. You can see in this way. Where is? Yes, this way. And in this way. Okay. And now, what is? I show you the telescope. As you can see, I covered it with silver foil and added a little detail to make it more attractive. And this is the details. And now I put it, I show you, in the final position of the camera, on the model. Do you like? And now I show you in this way. One moment. And this is, I show you in this way, is the, where is, one moment. I think that this is the best. In this way you can see all the Apollo telescope mount with all details. Yes, it's not finished, it's necessary some painting phase, but you can see the ATM's cabin, the ATM lower part in the center, and the Apollo telescope mount. Apollo telescope in the lower part of the model. As you can see, the radiators is not easy to see. For this reason, I prefer to use this way to avoid a lot of work. And to be honest, I'm always happy regarding my model. Yes, in this part, at the end, I joined the solar panels, but now I prefer to show you the model in this way. And where is? And inside I put this. You can see here, more or less, the astronauts inside, ready to go, getting out for the EVA on the Apollo telescope mount. I think that this is a very incredible and beautiful project, in my opinion. Okay. I show you in a different way, because in this way you can understand all the work I done to date. I try in other. Yes, I think that in this way you can see in detail. It's so incredible. I'm so sorry, but in this way it's so difficult for me to show you the... Okay. Okay, guys, also this time we have finished. See you soon next time, and don't forget that this is an incredible, in this way, is an incredible model kit. And I'm so proud of it. See you guys. See you guys, and bye. And don't forget the AM case are always the best brand regarding the Astronautic model kit.